Hello and welcome to Travel Closely informational videos. Today we're tackling a common question. Can you take hair straighteners on a plane? Can you take hair straighteners in hand luggage? Yes, you can bring a hair straightener on a plane. According to TSA regulations, you can pack it in both your carry-on and checked luggage. Just remember, the straightener must not have any batteries or gas cartridges. Packing tips. Here are a few packing tips. Make sure your hair straightener has cooled down before you pack it. It's best to store it in a heat-resistant pouch or case to avoid damage or accidents. Security screening. Now, do you need to take your hair straightener out at security? Usually, no. Heat styling tools are considered personal care items and can stay in your bag for screening. However, this can vary by airport, so always check in advance. Airline regulations. Let's quickly go through a few major airlines. Delta Airlines. Yes, you can bring a hair straightener. Just remember to double-check any changes to their policies a week before your flight. American Airlines. No problem here, hair straighteners are allowed as long as they are packed properly. Southwest Airlines. Absolutely. Just ensure they're securely packed. Spirit Airlines. Yes, as per TSA guidelines, they're allowed too. United Airlines. You can bring your straightener without any issues. How to pack your straightener. When packing your hair straightener, ensure it's completely cool to prevent any heat-related incidents. Avoid wrapping the cord too tightly. A loose fold tied with a rubber band works well. You can also wrap it in a soft cloth for extra protection. International travel. Now, if you're traveling internationally, make sure your hair straightener can handle the voltage. Most straighteners work at 110,120 volts, but some, like the Numi Megastar Flat Iron, come with dual voltage capabilities. They even include adapters for various regions. Usage during flight. Just to clarify, you cannot use your hair straightener during the flight. For safety reasons, the use of electrical appliances is prohibited while on board. Travel-sized straighteners. A good travel-sized straightener should be compact, lightweight, and ideally dual voltage so you can use it internationally. Traveling with other styling products. Lastly, can you bring styling products like hairspray or heat protectant? Yes, but make sure they're in containers of 3.4 ounces or less and packed in a clear quart-sized bag to meet the TSA liquid limits. So, can you bring a hair straightener on a plane? Absolutely. Just pack it safely and follow the airline's guidelines. Did you find this helpful? Give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more travel tips.